Everyone's mother used hydrogen peroxide to pour over a cut, claiming its healing powers. But what else is it good for? There are so many uses for hydrogen peroxide, especially as a home cleaning solution. It's a powerful and natural disinfectant, ideal for cleaning many common household surfaces, plus it can whiten some fabrics. Here are different ways you can use hydrogen peroxide. Whiten toenails. We all dream to have whiter toenails. To achieve your dream nails, make a paste of 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Apply the paste on your nails and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Then wash the nails with water. Once you are done with the process, you would notice a clear difference in your nails as they would turn out to be whiter than before. Repeat the process every 6 weeks for better and consistent results. Hydrogen peroxide for your toilet bowl. You may find it hard to clean your toilet bowl, but with good cleaning qualities of hydrogen peroxide, you can take this work on your shoulders. Start by pouring half a cup of the chemical in a cup and letting the chemical stand for at least 20 minutes. Scrub the bowl by using a toilet brush and flushing it later. Even putting your toilet brush in hydrogen peroxide will render you benefits because this way you will make sure that the cleaning tool gets disinfected. Clean countertop and cutting board. Cleaning your kitchen can prove to be a tedious task, especially if it is done with long gaps in between. However, with hydrogen peroxide, cleaning your countertop and cutting board would not be a tiresome process anymore. Simply pour some hydrogen peroxide and let it sit for a couple of minutes. After this, use a sponge for scrubbing the stains and then rinse it with water. The ease and effectiveness of this trick make it one of the best hydrogen peroxide hacks. Once you'll try this method, you would never want to go back to the old cleaning process ever again. Remove pee stains from your mattress. Pee stains are a disgusting sight and might embarrass you in front of your guests or friends. However, you won't have to change your mattress as hydrogen peroxide can save the day for you. Make a solution of hydrogen peroxide, dishwashing soap and baking soda mixed in a spray bottle. Use 8 ounces of hydrogen peroxide, 3 tablespoons of baking soda and half a teaspoon of dishwashing soap. Mix the ingredients in the spray bottle, make sure not to mix it too vigorously, otherwise it would create a bubbly solution. First, soak the stained area in vinegar and after a few minutes, blot the area with paper towels. Then spray the solution onto the stained area and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now use paper towels again to blot the area, you would see the stain is lifted. Now repeat the process if necessary until the stain has vanished completely. Wash veggies and fruits. Washing your vegetables and fruits with hydrogen peroxide will make sure there's no dirt or pesticide residual. This would not only make your vegetables and fruits cleaner but would make them taste even better than before. All you need is a 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide and a bowl of cold water. Wash your fruits and veggies in the solution and then rinse them thoroughly with cold water again. You would get perfectly healthy fruits and veggies to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.